Welcome to Ion Abyss, a television program of international, regional, and domestic events, and a casual business talk. Today, we are at the Queen Sirikit National Convention Center in Bangkok to cover a press conference on an upcoming event known as EcoLightTech Asia. For this year, the theme is PA presents EcoLightTech Asia 2014. PA stands for Provincial Electricity Authority, which this year is the host organizer of this trade show. Now, let me bring you to the press conference at the Queen Sirikit National Convention Center.
This overview.
Recently, a press conference was organized to talk about the upcoming event of EcoLightTech Asia 2014 at Queen Sirikit National Convention Center. The press conference was attended by Kun Suwat Chiao-Chan-Chai, Deputy Governor, Planning and System Development of Provincial Electricity Authority or PEA. Kun Jaruwan Suwanasat, Director, Exhibitions and Events Department, Thailand Convention and Exhibition Bureau or TCEB. Kun Uthit Chan Jenchop, President of Illuminating Engineering Association of Thailand. And Kun Busaya Prakop Thong, General Manager of MCC Exhibition Organizer Company Limited or NEO, which is the organizer of this event. The theme for this year is PA presents EcoLightTech Asia 2014, as it is the host organizer of this year's event, which had helped draw a much wider and greater exhibition to this trade show. The press conference also shows samples of various kinds of LED light bulbs, which will be the major exhibits of this event. This is the second year of EcoLightTech Asia, which apart from showing exhibits of the latest technology of LED, will include a wide range of seminar topics to share knowledge and experience of lighting technology with participants. The event of PA presents EcoLightTech Asia 2014 will take place on 12 to 14 of November at Queen Sirikit National Convention Center in Bangkok. Please mark on your calendar for this trade show. In the biz chat, I will talk to Kun Serpong Smithan, Senior Project Manager of NEO, and then to Kun Pakon Borimasporn, Chief Executive Officer of Lighting and Equipment Public Company Limited, a major exhibitor of EcoLightTech Asia 2014. Now, let me bring you to the biz chat.
EcoLightTech Asia is returning with a greater prominence. The second international trade show of green technologies and innovations in lighting will continue to highlight the latest technologies of LED or light-emitting diodes. The title of this year's show is Provincial Electricity Authority or PEA presents EcoLightTech Asia 2014. PEA, a leader of energy saving in Thailand, will add extra strength to the second year show as a host organizer with the theme of Light for Life. EcoLightTech Asia 2014 is poised to be the premier lighting show of the year. Come to see the latest LED technology of lighting at EcoLightTech Asia 2014 from 12th to 14th of November at Queen Sirikit National Convention Center in Bangkok.
Hello คุณเสิร์พงษ์
Hello, Kun Sin Fa.
Thanks for joining Eye on ABIS.
My pleasure.
This year is the second year that NEO organized EcoLightTech Asia 2014. What will this year event be different from last year?
This year, we have a couple of features that are different from last year. First up, I rather call it what's new for this year. First, we are fortunate enough to welcome Provincial Electricity Authority, or PEA in short, to become our host organization or host organizer. That the reason behind they decided to join our event as a host organizer is that we will have the concept of the show that in line with their objective is to encourage business owners to save energy in order to increase competitive amongst ASEAN, because Thailand will enter into AEC in a year and a bit time. And also one of objective of PEA is to encourage business owners to use energy saving devices. So that's first what is new. Second is we found out from last year that there was trading loophole in the exhibition, means that people would rather hesitate to buy stuff or to invest in energy saving ones because they're thinking of using their own money. So to close this loophole this year, we invite one of the leading financial institute, it's the Kasikorn Bank, to become our official financial institute to offer loans for these business operators who are hesitate to invest or to use their own money.
What will be the kinds of these loans that Kasikorn will offer to the visitor to this event? And does the bank set any target for the loan during the event?
All right. I'm speaking on their behalf. The loan that they're preparing to offer to business owners called K top-up loan for energy-saving lighting solutions. Kasikorn Bank expects to offer this loan to business owners around 100 visitors or companies with the value of around 500 million baht. During these 3 days of the EcoLightTech Asia 2014.
So it's about 5 million each, no?
Right. But the special event or special features of this loan is fast approval. You don't need to have any bank guarantee of if you are small, medium enterprises, and it can be approved within 2 days.
So how about the interest rate?
I'm not sure about this. Then I think business owners need to find out during the show days.
Okay. Then คุณเสิร์พงษ์ what will be the key concept of this event?
All right, I have to get this straight because there are some key concepts of EcoLightTech Asia 2014. First up, this show is pure business-to-business event. Means that our target visitors are mainly commercial and industrial enterprises. And this show is not purely focused on household, means that we rather focus on quality of visitors rather than quantity of visitors. So you will not see any household buyers, or you will not see a lot of people in our trade show. And also this show is targeting to be a hub of ASEAN trading on energy efficiency and lighting in especially. So these are concept of the show this year. It has always been the concept of the show.
Okay. And for this year event, PA present EcoLightTech Asia 2014.
Right.
Will there be any major exhibitor or any new innovation that you are going to present?
Right. This year, of course, we are welcoming returning exhibitors from last year and also new exhibitors that has never been exhibited with us. Some of the old faces are Lambton Lighting, GE Lighting, Philips, Legise. These are the major brands that are coming back and exhibiting with us. And this year we also have newcomers. For example, we have one company from United Arab Emirates, which is one of the countries in the Middle East. They would like to test their products in Thai market and also covering ASEAN market also. Some examples will be companies from USA and also a couple from Europe.
The one from the UAE,
Right.
What are their products?
The company called Sunlight Dome. The product will be the LED tubes that they manufacture and assemble in United Arab Emirates. The objective of coming to Thailand this time, they would like to find a distributor who can take care of sales in Thailand and also in ASEAN countries.
I hope they will be successful.
I hope so.
How about innovation that people
Innovation.
can expect at this event?
All right. Apart from the finished products, LED that can save a lot of energy, especially from the medium to large scale enterprises, we also have model or prototypes of EV or electrical vehicles from PEA, their own brand, and also some of the products are from our exhibitors that can be controlled by your smartphone, things like that, or there will be a sensor detected light that can be dim or can be switched on and off by itself. These kind of examples that will be innovations in this year.
Will the PEA actually show how the EV, electric
Right.
vehicle, will be drive in the show?
As far as I know, they have 3 different types of EV, from small to big. They have motorbike, motorcycle. They have EV car, and also they also just launched that new bus called Z Bus. I don't think they're gonna bring Z Bus to the show because we have limited space, but I'm sure they will demonstrate how
The
a motorbike and
and
the car can operate without using the gasoline.
That shall be interesting.
I'm sure there will be.
So apart from the exhibition or the trade show itself, will
Right.
there be any activities or other feature in the show?
Of course, to make the show interesting, apart from trade show, we also have free seminar, technical seminar that open for Thai. It will be conducted in Thai by different organizations. For example, PEA itself, from Ministry of Energy, Department of Alternative Energy Development and Efficiency. We from K-Bank. There will be from other institutes, including both private and public. More than 15 topics will be on seminar section. More to that, there were on Friday the 14th of November, we are bringing visitors both Thai and abroad to visit the green buildings surrounding Bangkok area to showcase that how efficient LED, when put into large-scale buildings or commercial precincts, can save you a lot of electricity. So people or visitors will see for themselves that this organization have proven to be cutting down on cost. Right.
So could you give us the example of the building that you might bring the visitor to see?
All right. We have shortlisted buildings into 3 options. First is the Kasikorn Bank, the Jangwattana branch, that they have also winning award of energy saving. That's one choice. The second choice will be Bank of Thailand in Bangkok Prom district. And the other one will be the PEA's LED building itself. That there will be in the whole building, I think around 22 or 23 stories that have been equipped with LED. Last time we brought visitors to visit this building also, and then there were a lot of interesting questions and answers going on. So it will be another highlights of this event.
The Kasikorn branch will be the branch in Muang Thong Thani, right?
In around that area, yes.
So for this year event, what does NEO expect from this EcoLightTech Asia 2014?
Right. We have been expecting that this show will be a truly trending platform for energy efficiency, especially lighting. And in the future, we would like to have this. We would like to develop this platform to also include other kind of energy efficiency, for example, solar, photovoltaic, biogas, wind energy, or any kind of alternative energy in the future. So that's one of the expectations that we would like to create this trade show to be a platform. Second, we also expect that this platform will be a very good and true platform for seller to meet buyers, the right buyers, both Thailand and ASEAN. Right? That's the second expectation that this show will have, or we have to organize this trade show. Apart from that, we expect this show to be the leading trade show of ASEAN that can position Thailand to be a truly hub of ASEAN trading on eco-friendly lighting solutions and other kinds of energy efficiency.
How does NEO, which is the organizer of this event, see the future of LED business in Thailand?
Right. We have been seeing the trend since 2013. That's why we decided to launch the show for the first time. And we believe that the trend is already here. It's about the awareness that business operators has to become more and more awareness that this technology is already here. It can help you reduce your operating costs. That's the awareness. We would like the LED in the future to have the impact on that. But according to, I have to read this out because this figure, according to the Ministry of Energy, LED, the sales of LED in 2013 was over 4.5 million bulbs with the trade value of 1.2 billion baht. That's the figure from last year. But this year they expected for the first and second quarter of 2014, the LED sales is 5 million bulbs already just for the first 2 quarters with 1.35 billion baht. So that's the figure from the Ministry of Energy. So they expected LED to be growing in the pace of around 250%. 250% from this year. But at the moment, the current LED market share is only 11% according to them. So you can see that there's a lot of room for LED to play within Thai market. Right? So that's the trend we see at the moment.
So in that case, NEO has already organized last year and this year. As second year, do you expect to organize this kind of event in the coming years?
Of course, we would like to organize this show on yearly basis, and all the feedback or the investment, we have invested a lot in organizing this kind of trade show. We have done international marketing with the support of Thailand Convention and Exhibition Bureau. We have done both domestic and international sales and promotion. So there will be no reason for us not to continue organizing this trade show for your information. Second, we see that the trend, as mentioned, is already here. It's about the speed that we can catch and make this trend to impact the business owners, because as I mentioned beforehand that this is a purely B2B trade show. We are not intend to buy or to do retail sales within this 3 days event.
Khun Serpong, I on the business would like to thank you very much for joining our program.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Khun Sinfa.
EcoLightTech Asia is returning with a greater prominence. The second International Trade Show of Green Technologies and Innovations in Lighting will continue to highlight the latest technologies of LED, or light-emitting diodes. The title of this year's show is Provincial Electricity Authority, or PEA, presents EcoLightTech Asia 2014. PEA, a leader of energy saving in Thailand, will add extra strength to the second year show as a host organizer with the theme of Light for Life. EcoLightTech Asia 2014 is poised to be the premier lighting show of the year. Come to see the latest LED technology of lighting at EcoLightTech Asia 2014 from 12th to 14th of November at Queen Sirikit National Convention Center in Bangkok. Let's chat.
Hello, Khun Pakon. Thanks for joining Eye on ABIS. Today we are sitting at a major showroom of Lighting and Equipment Public Company Limited or L&E on Rachda Piseth Road. Kun Pakon, would you mind starting with telling us a bit about what is L&E?
Yeah, L&E is a company operating business regarding the lighting products. We cover the whole range starting from the research and development, the new product development, and then we have our own factories. We currently have 4 factories. Very importantly, we have a very strong marketing network. Cover all the consumer groups, customer groups, starting from the project group, export group, wholesale retails, including the architectural customer. In other words, we cover the whole range of the customer, the whole spectrum. Not only selling the product, we also provide the services. Therefore, we have been considered ourselves as a total lighting solution provider.
Maybe you can also tell us a little bit about the profile and history of the L&E, so our audience know where you come from.
Yeah, we start about 21 years ago, 1973. We started at a very small company. We are selling the product to the electrical contractors, and then we starting to increase the range of the product, starting from the luminaire for office lighting, and then we increase the product ranges to cover the residential. And after that, when we have more product, we expand our channel distribution, and also we add in the services. Today, we have the integrated service and the complete range of lighting products. This is how we start. We have been listed in the stock exchange market about 10 years ago.
Yeah.
Today, we are considered as one of the big players in lighting product in Thailand.
Yeah, and currently, if we compare it about the proportion of product which you produce locally and which you import, what are the proportion?
Out of the total sales made in our company, 40% are made by our own subsidiaries, and about 13% is imported from other countries. The rest are outsourced to our strategic partner to produce for us.
Okay, and tell us a bit, in general, what are your current products and services?
Our product can be categorized into 4 big groups. One is lighting luminaire. Second is lighting equipment to control the lamp. Thirdly is light bulbs. Fourth is lighting pole and other, related products, 4 group. Out of these 4 group, the majority of our sales are made in the luminaire, which is, made by ourselves.
And you have mentioned about you have also your own manufacturing factory plant. Can you tell us what do you produce here locally?
We have 4 factories. One is manufacturing the luminaire, lighting luminaire for outdoor. The other one is luminaire, but for indoor. The third one is particularly for the LED product. And the fourth one is in general assembly. 4 factories at the moment.
So where are these 4 manufacturing factory? Are they in Bangkok, outside Bangkok?
In Bangkok, on the, we call Jengwatthana Road.
Oh, just actually near my home. So about how much do they produce on a year basis?
Yeah. Annually, the production capacity will be about 5 million units, including lamp and the fixture, everything we call units. We are going to build a new factories on the area of 50 right, roughly about 20 acres. And on this new land, we are going to build 3 factories. Most of them are moved from the old location to the new location. When the new factories is completed, the total capacity will be about 10 million per year.
Oh, so almost double.
Double.
So most of the product will be sold locally, or some will be export as well?
At the moment, only 3% is export. The majority are still domestic. I am going to increase the channel of distribution for export in the future. 3 years from now, I expect to increase the proportion of export sales from 3 to 10%.
So who are now your current foreign buyers?
Mostly the ASEAN customer, AEC market, and a few to Australia and New Zealand, a little bit to Middle East, some to South Asia. The majority can be considered in ASEAN.
Since L&E has its own factories, I think you have a wide range of products. So what will be the highlight that L&E will bring to the trade show in November, the EcoLightTech Asia 2014?
Because today is the day for the new technology we call LED. In this exhibition, I'm going to exhibit the LED product. Of course, we are going to exhibit the replacement lamps that can save energy. And the other will be something that we would like to bring comfort to our, to the user. We are going to introduce the control by using a smartphone at home. You can change the color and you can change the illumination level. This is one of them by using the smartphone. The other one is, by using the PLC to control the street lighting, street lamps, in order to save energy, to have a better maintenance.
What is PLC?
PLC stands for Power Line Controller. PLC is used, to control the lighting fixture, to lower the illumination level, the dim, at the time that you don't need that brightness. You don't need to have additional wire. You use the same cable. You just put in the control equipment we call power line controller, and you can control the whole thing.
The light on the street?
On the street.
Are there any agencies or any part of Bangkok which already use it, or is a
very small scale? We are going to promote this one because we foresee that they can help them save energy, and they can also have a better maintenance. They will know immediately which one has been extinguished, so they can change that lamps immediately.
Okay, so you said that at the EcoLightTech Asia you highlight your LED product. So what does make your LED product different from other brands?
Yeah, one of them is we choosing the quality chip, LED chip. Chip can play a major role. If you buy a less quality one, the life will be shorter, and also it may create the problem to the power quality, makes interference to the existing power, so that can interfere the power control system.
So your product will use better chip,
the good quality chip that will not create such a problem, the interference to other control equipment.
So apart from the chip in the LED that you just mentioned, what are the other components that will make the LED bulb come with higher quality and can stay for longer years?
The other major component will be we call drivers or control equipment. The LED lamp comprises of two major parts. One is the LED chip, LED assembly, whatever you want to call it. The other one is driver. LED chip, normally the lifespan is about 50,000 hours. It's normal. The LED driver is very critical. Most of them will be about 25,000
hours.
With half of the life of the LED chip. When you put together, the life of the lamp will be shortened by half.
Wow, okay.
Of course, You can also have a better driver at 50,000 hours, but it costs much more. You can do that as well.
So this is interesting. So
And also driver is very critical. If the good driver can have less harmonic. Harmonic, that means the thing that interfere with the control system, electronic system. So if you use a good driver, you will have less harmonic.
So คุณประกรณ์ as a key exhibitor of the EcoLightTech Asia 2014, what does L&E expect from participating in this trade show?
I am expecting that Thai people will be aware that there is LED product which have a very long life and also environmentally friendly. And very importantly as well, I would like them to know that there is a Thai company who are now can supply this product. L&E is the first Thai manufacturer for LED lamps. And not only we are producing the lamp for the market, we also provide a solution. For example, if the customer would like to have their product enhanced, we can offer the product with some recommendation to make and highlight the product so that they can, sell more for customer, in particular the residential customer. They would like to have, a very, very relaxed environment. We offer them the product with the color that, can bring them, feel comfortable and relaxed. Of course, mostly for the office lighting, they would like to save energy. LED is a very efficient product. They can save energy by using LED product. I would like them to know what's going on now today in Thailand.
I believe that the exhibition booth of L&E at the EcoLightTech Asia will be one of the most attractive at the trade show in November. Today, I and Obis would like to thank คุณประกรณ์ very much for joining our program. Thank you ครับ
You're welcome.
Thanks for watching Eye on Abyss. I hope you enjoy our show, and I hope to see you at the event PA Presents EcoLightTech Asia 2014 at Queen Sirikit National Convention Center on November 12 to 14. Bye for now.